Welcome back to Extreme Lego Life, and today I'm going to show you how, well, not how to build, but what a Lego combination lock looks like. So that is kind of like the box. You may have seen this before, but like if you have seen it, you've probably seen it much nicer looking and not all colorful, but it was just with the pieces I could find at the time that I built this. So basically, you see there's like this vault door, and it's completely locked in there. It cannot be pushed out. Oops, sorry. Cannot be pushed out. And then this lever also is like, it's supposed to go flat down. So what I have to do in order to do so is spin this combination until, sorry, it's hard to do this one-handed, till it's red on top, then change it and green's on top. This goes down, and the compartment folds out. So that there, yeah, you can kind of just put anything in here, whatever you want. It's pretty simple. I'll actually take off the roof so that you can see the mechanics behind it. 1 second. Oops, I was putting the thing back in the wrong way. That was why it wasn't going in right. Ugh. I'll do my best. I don't know if you can really see this though. So inside there, that's where the mechanics works. It's pretty simple. It's just on like studs and stuff. So if you want to check out how to build this, there's a video elsewhere on YouTube. Just look up Lego box combination lock to make it. It's fairly simple. So thanks for watching, and I'll see you guys next video.